XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, July 6. In today's XRP Ripple News and Price Prediction, XRP CEO jumps on SEC's side. Alright, let's get started. Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, have an ongoing legal battle. The regulator filed an action against the payment company at the end of 2020. Many believe that this was former SEC Chairman, Jay Clayton's decision before leaving office. During his administration, Clayton's SEC denied several Bitcoin ETF proposals and was known for his anti-crypto stance. After his departure, the former SEC chair went into the private sector to work for One River Digital Asset Management as part of its Academic and Regulatory Advisory Council. Clayton will advise the firm on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In an editorial article for the Wall Street Journal titled, "Crypto Needs Regulation, but it doesn't need new rules," Clayton makes the case for more regulation to the crypto industry under the current framework. He goes on to call cryptocurrencies part of a digital revolution underway in the financial services industry. Clayton argues that the US regulators have decades of experience with financial activities performed by cryptocurrencies, such as payments. Therefore, he adds that the regulators already have the tools to address the potential risks of this new asset class without stifling their promise. Clayton claims, if coordinated analysis by national and international authorities reveals a regulatory gap, it should be filled. But we shouldn't begin by assuming a need to reinvent the regulatory regime. As an example, the former SEC chair cited the bearer bonds, an instrument used by holders to demand cash payments upon its presentation. Clayton claimed that a coordinated effort between several US and international agencies brought this market to a close without affecting the overall bond market. He added, the same approach can be applied to new instruments that present similar risks, such as transferring Bitcoin using an anonymous wallet. Ripple weighs in on Clayton's proposal. Via his Twitter handle, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, replied to Clayton. He referred to the article as definitely ironic, but celebrated the change in the former government official's view on the crypto industry. According to Garlinghouse, we are finally on the same side and agree on one thing. My main takeaway from this? Jay Clayton is finally joining the chorus of voices saying there is and has been a lack of regulatory clarity for crypto and that stifles innovation here in the US. Definitely ironic, but better late than never. The executive emphasized that technology can be useful for many purposes, legal and illegal. However, he believes compliant companies in the US have been left in limbo or are facing legal actions. Thus, he called for a clear legal and regulatory framework and quoted Clayton. The former SEC chair said in his article, "We must also keep in mind the default rule in the American system. Innovation is welcome absent some legal reason to oppose it." Words to live by. In addition to Ripple Labs, Garlinghouse and Chris Larson were charged by the SEC with the alleged sales of an unregistered security, XRP. The trial is currently in a critical phase, as the District Court for the Southern District of New York evaluates the evidence presented by both parties. Recent developments seem to favor Ripple over the regulator, but the legal process is still early to rule out any potential outcome. At the time of this video, XRP trades at 70 cents with some losses in the 1-hour and daily chart. In the weekly chart, XRP has a 2.7% profit and a 41.3% loss in the monthly chart. How XRP is trading. The 12-hour chart of XRP was moving within an ascending triangle pattern. This price action formed higher lows, whereas the high remained consistent at $0.7079. As the price continued to rise within this pattern, it may be looking at a breakout, pushing the value of the asset to $0.7928. However, volatility reduced as Bollinger Bands converged. The market was bullish, which could help the price to break out. Despite the evident bullishness, selling pressure in the short term was pushing the bears into the long-term market. This could lead XRP's price to break down. If the price breaches the slope of the ascending triangle, it may be looking at a drop of 13% to 67 cents. Meanwhile, Awesome Oscillator showed high momentum in the market and stochastic RSI remained overbought at press time. Selling pressure could cause the XRP market to achieve stability. To review, at the June 22 low XRP price had declined 70% and a remarkable 50% from the June 1 high. liquidating the May 23 low of $0.652, a level fortified by weekly highs in late 2020 and February 2021. Nonetheless, Ripple realized three important technical milestones that provoked a 45% rebound into June 29, a test of the 78.6% retracement of the December 2020 to April 2021 advance at $0.555, an undercut of the 50-week SMA at $0.540 and registered an oversold reading on the daily RSI for the first time since late December 2020. The 45% rebound was noteworthy, but it lacked the impulsiveness that characterizes meaningful bottoms and the momentum to enable XRP price to conquer the massive resistance around $0.740 to $0.760. The result was a rising wedge formation triggering on July 1, quickly putting the support level of $0.650 in play. Ripple has been holding the critical level for the last 4 days. The Ripple rising wedge pattern's measured move is approximately 30%, suggesting that XRP price will push through the 78.6% retracement level of $0.555 and the June 22 low of $0.512 before bottoming at around the measure move target of $0.477. It is important to note that XRP price has no visible support below the measured move target, raising the pressure on bullish Ripple speculators. Due to the clarity of the price structure from the June 22 low and the definitive resistance in the range of $0.740 to $0.760, Ripple needs a daily close above $0.760 to unravel the dominant bearish narrative. An emerging scenario that has been discussed in the past is for XRP price to fall into a trading range between $0.555 and $0.760. Thereby offering potent trading conditions for swing traders due to the fortified support and resistance levels and the attractive 30 to 40% profit opportunities that lie between. For long-term investors, Ripple is dead money under $0.760. The break to the downside in XRP price out of the smaller triangle should not be a red flag for buyers. Just below, Ripple has the $0.626 level that held during the weekend to the downside. Should Ripple break lower, look for the 50 cents marker as an excellent position to buy the dip. That's what's been happening this week in the world of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to All Investments right now, so that next week you'll get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of XRP Ripple news and price prediction. If you enjoyed this edition of XRP Ripple news and price prediction, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's XRP Ripple news and price prediction by checking out our XRP playlist.